Hello friends. Now we are going to see how to draw the sketch-1 given as per the training. In this sketch we can see that there are three concentric circles from a point, and there are six small circles on the middle circle. There are 6 holes which are equally spaced in it, and there is another keyhole keyhole with the same center with a radius, and it is with a length of 45 degrees on either side, and at each point there are 3 circles. So at first we need to see how can we draw the draw the sketch easily. For example, we can see that in these planes we can see this similar kind of structure. Let us take this part as origin, and then we draw three concentric circles like this. This is the first circle, this is the dotted circle, and this is the main circle. And in this the dimensions need to be given. And after this we can see that there are 6 circles. A circle is at the top at here, and after this here you can see that there are 6 holes. We all know that for a circle the total angle is 360 degrees. So dividing the 360 degrees by 6, we get 60 degrees. So let us assume that this is at 0 degrees. So this means at 60 degrees, like somewhere around here, there should be a second circle, which is here. And after this, from this point to this point is 60 degrees, and from this point to this point there is another circle at 60 degrees. Let us assume this point is at here, it is at 60 degrees. This is at third point. Please make sure that the center of these small circles should be at the intersection point of this axis line and this point converging here. Similarly, as per these 3 circles, draw the remaining circles, like 4, and this is 5, and the 6. After by this we all get we will get all these 6 circles. After getting all these 6 circles, we will draw a keyhole from a center here, and with a shape like this. By this we will all get this kind of shape. We will get this kind of shape. After getting this, by using the fillet command, we can make a small fillet kind of thing like this. As the radius is provided at here as R8, we can provide the R8 at here. After providing all these details, we can use the trim command, and by using it we can trim these excess lines. By trimming these excess lines, we will get the required dimension. And to constrain this keyhole, we need to draw 2 axis lines like this, which are 45 degrees from the center line. 45 degrees, and this line is to be constrained with the center point of this arc and this arc respectively. By constraining this and providing the radiuses, the first sketch can be drawn easily. Hello friends, as we have seen it in the rough book, let's draw it in the CATIA. You can see that this is the diagram that we have given. At first, open the CATIA. By opening the CATIA at start, we will see the interface like this. Press on file, new, and search for the part design. Click on the part and click OK. Enter the part name and click on OK. And after this, we can see 3 default planes. If you prefer to work on them, it's fine. Else do hide them by right clicking on it and clicking on hide or show. After it, create a point and take an axis system and add that point as origin and click OK. Select any plane, click on the sketch, click OK. You will enter into the Sketcher workbench. In this diagram, you can see that there are 3 circles, 3 concentric circles: circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. At first, we will draw the three circles. This is the circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. Oh, sorry, the third circle is somewhat mistake. Circle 3. Now let's provide the dimensions to it. The dimensions of these three circles are 85 mm, 68 mm, and 50 mm. After providing these dimensions, make this line as dotted one. After this, draw two lines passing through the origin and joining these dot circle like this. Line 1 and line 2. And line 2. These lines are drawn so that these lines act as a reference for this center point. As this center for this center point. These circles. Let's provide dimensions for this. The angle is 60 degrees. As we have previously discussed. Simply add the 60 degrees. There is no need to add a straight line because this vertical axis will act as a line. Create 6 circles. Turn off the dotted lines and create these 6 circles. Like this, we have created the 6 circles. After creating the 6 circles, we have to change the diameter. You can either change it manually or there is an option called equivalent dimensions. For this, click on the equivalent dimensions feature, click on edit list and select the radius. This is the first radius that we have added and this is the last radius. By clicking on the shift command and right click on the and left click on the last radius and click on this arrow to get all these dimensions. When you can notice that when these dimensions are in this box, all these dimensions should be highlighted. After this, click on OK. Now here provide the radius for it. The given diameter for these is 8 mm. So the radius is going to be 8 by 2 is equal to 4 mm. Type 4 mm and click on OK. You can see that all these circles are perfectly constrained. And after this, we have to draw a keyhole. Click on the keyhole. This is the origin. Click here. Before that, let's draw two lines at a 45 degrees and make them dotted lines. Let's draw a line and draw another line. Let's make these two symmetrical with the vertical axis. After this, provide an angle of 45 degrees to it. Here you can see that a perpendicularity symbol is added by mistake. We need to make sure that this kind of things will not happen in the part, else it is going to be constrained. Delete this perpendicularity symbol and add the angle of 45 degrees. Now from the center, draw a keyhole. Select the origin point and left point and this point. After clicking, simply draw a turn off this. Oh, sorry, this is turn on. So let's do it again. Click on the origin. Click on this point. Then click on this point and simply drag it. Delete the radius. The radius of this large circle is provided. The small radius is provided as 70 and the large radius is provided as 90. By entering this, this keyhole is got constrained. And after this, we have to draw 3 circles. After drawing 3 circles, you can make the changes manually or using the dimensional constraints. I prefer using the dimensional constraints. So let's turn it off and click it here and click on equivalent dimensions and click on edit list and click on this value and this value. By selecting all these, we can see that all of these are also selected. Click on OK. Okay. Here this circle hadn't got completely constrained because it is hadn't placed properly. So just simply coincide it. Now click on these equivalent dimensions and change this dimension. The dimension is provided as 22 means 11 mm. Click on 11 mm and get into part. Here you can see that the dimension is changed to diameter of 22. And after this, the final thing that is left is to add fillets. Add fillets here. Double click to reuse it again. Here select this one. Click on the keyhole first and the circle next and click here. Click on the keyhole and then the circle and click anywhere. By this you can see that we have completed the sketch, and now we have to simply remove the excess part by using the trim command like this. After this, you can change this dimension. The radius is given as 8 mm, so the 8 mm radius is provided here. By this you can see that the first sketch has got completed. You can see that all the holes have been completely constrained. By using the sketch solving status, you can see that it is iso constrained. Thank you.